So, hello students, this is class 9th. We are studying the lesson first, the fundamental unit of life. The fundamental unit of life. We are studying this lesson. Last time we have studied about the osmosis. Studied about the osmosis. In the osmosis, we have studied that the movement of water molecules from the region of their high concentration to the region of the lower concentration via semi-permeable membrane. So we have studied about the osmosis. Now we can demonstrate the osmosis with the help of an egg. With the help of an egg, we can demonstrate the osmosis. So, you see the activity what is given in your book, that the activity 5.3. Activity 5.3. Activity 5.3. Activity 5.3. Osmosis with an egg. We can demonstrate the osmosis with an egg. Osmosis with an egg. So, osmosis with an, what materials you have needed? So, materials required. Materials required. What we needed, as written, it is egg. An egg is needed, and dilute HCl. Dilute HCl, beaker, etc. These things are needed for demonstration of osmosis with an egg. What method? What you have to do? So first, remove the cell of egg by keeping in dilute solution, in dilute hydrochloric acid. You know, this is, suppose this is an egg, this is an egg, this is an egg, and its outer membrane, outer covering is there, and this outer covering is called as the shell of the egg. This is shell of the egg, and this shell of the egg is made up of calcium carbonate. It is made up of calcium carbonate. The shell of the egg is made up of calcium carbonate. So if we keep the shell in dilute HCl, then shell of the egg dissolves, and such egg is called as the decelled egg. So after removing the shell, so we can write here, this side, this is shell, and when it is removed, it is called as the decelled egg. It is called as the decelled egg. This cell is called as this egg is called as the decelled egg. This is decelled egg. In this cell, the shell is dissolved, so such egg is called as the decelled egg. So what happens? Remove the shell of egg by keeping in dilute hydrochloric acid. So in hydrochloric acid, the shell of egg dissolved, and such egg is called decelled egg. So in HCl, the shell of egg dissolve, and in HCl, the shell of egg dissolved, and such egg is called decelled egg. It is called as it is called as the decelled egg. So now keep the decelled egg. Now second, keep the decelled egg in pure water. Keep the deshelled egg in pure water for 5 minutes. And observe. So, you know that in the shell, suppose this is shell and this shell, it is shell, and if we keep it into a shell, its shell is removed. So this is called the plasma membrane. This is plasma membrane. Plasma. This is membrane. This is called the plasma membrane. So, a decelled membrane, when we keep the decelled egg in the pure water, then in decelled membrane there is a plasma membrane, and this plasma membrane is selectively permeable membrane. So since outside there is a more amount of the water in comparison to inside the cell, as a result water from outside enters inside the cell. As a result, water from outside enters inside the cell. As a result, cell swells up. As the result, egg swells up. So what we observe? Observation. Observation. What we observe? The egg the celled egg swells. Decelled egg swells. Why decelled egg swells? Because decelled having outermost covering the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is semi-permeable in the nature, and the water and the atmosphere and the surrounding the cell or the outside the cell, there is more water in comparison to the inside the cell. That is why water from outside comes inside the cell. As a result, cell swells. So this is the reason. Now we can do another activity. We can do some another activity. Take take another D-celled egg. This activity. After that, next one is another activity. Take a D-celled egg and keep in a concentrate sugar solution, salt solution. Any solution we can use, but concentrate salt solution, and observe after 5 minutes. Then what happens? In this experiment also, you have to make the cell decelled. How will you make? By keeping the cell in dilute HCl. The cell dissolves. The cell SHCl cell, which is made up of calcium carbonate, dissolves, and we observe the plasma membrane, and plasma membrane contains the other cell parts, cell organelles. So this is decelled egg. So here we have to take decelled egg and keep the decelled egg in a concentrate salt solution and observe. And what we observe, the cell observation. Decelled egg shrinks. Decelled egg shrinks. Why decelled egg shrinks? Suppose this is decelled egg. Suppose this is decelled egg, and decelled eggs, around the decelled egg, it is kept in a vessel, and vessel contains a sugar solution, concentrate sugar solution. This is concentrate sugar solution. Then what will happen? You know that outside more water in comparison to the inside. So water molecules, at movement of water molecules takes in both direction, outside and inside the cell. Since the movement of water molecule from inside to outside of the cell is more. So here water molecules move from inside to outside. Why? Because inside of the cell is more water concentration in comparison to the outside. So as osmosis, I told you that movement of water molecules from the region of its higher concentration to region of its lower concentration. So here water concentration is more inside the cell in comparison to outside. That is why water from inside the cell moves to the outside. As a result, cell shrinks. As a result, egg shrinks. Sorry, not cell but egg shrinks. So here and egg, it become shrinkage of eggs takes place. Egg shrinks when it is kept in a concentrate salt. When it is kept in a concentrate salt solution, it shrinks. So thank you. That's for today. Next day we will do another type of the activity. Thank you. That's for today.